for the forum. When you're doing images, instead of going through the whole uploading images and what have you, the quick and easy way, this doesn't work on the basic editor, you've got to do it on the full editor. If you want to upload an image, once you've opened your box up there, you can type whatever in that you want to type, go down to your next line, and you can drag and drop images now on this new software. So here we are, we have an image, drag it in, and you'll see down here, it's now loaded up. So what you would do then is make sure that your cursor's down to where you want it to display the image, click place in line, preview, and there she is. How to drag and drop an image. You want to do another one? Same again. Pick up another image and just drag them in. That's all you have to do. Nice and easy. Don't forget, when you've previewed and you're happy with it, click submit, and there's your image. And it will blow up bigger. Okay guys, enjoy.